Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a front panel fan replacement for the Fractal Design Arc MIDI chassis. The only tool that you'll need to perform this task is a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. First, you'll want to begin by making sure that your unit is completely powered off. Make sure that any additional cable, such as a power cable, keyboard, mouse, is unplugged from the unit. Second, you'll want to unscrew the 2 thumb screws at the rear of the chassis and place them to the side. Then you will want to take the side panel off. You can do so by placing your fingers here and giving a firm tug. The case will come off and reveal the inside. Please note that this chassis is not populated with any hardware at all, as it is being used for a foundational build that's in process. Second, you'll want to remove the front fan filter. You can do this by pressing evenly until it releases, revealing the fan. Next, we'll want to take the top bay area out of the case. You can do so by removing this thumb screw. Please note that that thumb screw may be a bit tight, and if that is the case, just use a screwdriver as it is threaded. And grab either side of the bay and pull out. There we go. As you can see, you should now have access to this fan. On the front, you'll see 4 securing screws located here, 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 and here. Let's remove these. And make sure that you have a hand on the other side. Now that we have the fan removed, we're ready to install the replacement. For the purposes of this video, I'll just be using the same fan, as this is a brand new fan. Please also note which direction the sticker is facing. If it's facing this way, it means the fan blows in this direction. This way means that it pulls air in from this side and blows it out. So in this application, for most cases, you would want the fan to blow in, so it'll be a front intake. Take the fan, in this case 140mm Silent Series R2 Fractal case fan. Make sure it lines up with the holes. And insert the screws. And then we'll take the front fan filter, and this is a good time to blow it out if you haven't had a chance to prior. Place it in, apply it firm but even pressure, and it latches right back in. Now we'll want to take the drive caddy that was here and place it back in. But first we'll want to take the fan connector and find the appropriate spot on the motherboard. This is something that can be located by your support technician or by a diagram of the motherboard that was included with your system. You'll see that on the caddy there are 4 pads. They correspond to some rails that we have here. The bottom, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but the top also has them. And you just want to place it appropriately. Plug goes in. Grab the thumb screws. At that point, you're ready to put the side panel back on, and then your build would be completed.